people, today I'm Mataran, dead yard thing. What do you call it? Grave digging. Today I'm Mataran, grave digging. I know I think. See me have on my button here. My mother, I just buy my mother one tropical rhythm. Bombard. See me open here already. I don't get no cup. I don't do it. No. I don't do it. Yes, people. Princess, come in I can't make them know you're a Mataran sister. Sister, make them know say you're a Mataran sister. Alright. I vented these people. Mataran brother, they see me in a Mataran at the people. We'll put it on the show them here. Ah, come here for my thing now. So I go on here people. Big old Perry truck and bass song, see there? See that the people? Go on ramp, you know. Be a thing, you know. Eh? I later on that night me a live stream. This have to send go give Ben them and all that money. I had me the group, you know. So I them have to see it, you know. Yeah man. So yeah people. Man them where they are firing, you know, see what go on. Be a food pan stove and be a local thing and you know? We nice. Yeah, so a kitchen there. Yeah, boy, ready to walk people. Look for them here. Body not care, Jackie. Shut up. Block up. Go over here, sir, Mataran yard. For all who don't know, this is Mataran's house. Mataran never this, sir. With the chopping and fired. You see me? Walk past and show the Mataran black. I big boss, this sign of people. Big up the camera, big boss.
Bless.
Alright. Yeah man, I asked Mataran used to live. You see me before him pass it. See my cousin here?
Can I get a lighter please?
Bro, that's all you're good for. Oh my god. Now me have it to you know people, me no better. See that? Big old waste man, a Mataran waste man never this. Brother, you're going like somebody. Brother, I don't even want this. This is you that I don't even feature me in my thing. You fool. You could have get a look at hype. Huh? Look like me. Yeah. I know what I did say, but just that's so nice to say now what I did say. Yeah, people. We don't have to walk around the place active. We have to set the camera. How about that? Because I don't know what you. See a chop in your fire, make a favor Thanos. Funeral set it people, more funeral, great people, they don't lane now for Mataran things. So Ghostball here, Ghostball, big up the camera.
Bless.
Yo, make them know say tonight a Mataran thing, man. I band them yesterday, you know.
Our thing tonight.
Yeah.
I mean, who no know, we'll tell them now.
Alright.
Come in, one and all.
Bless
Music
you.
forever.
Alright, Ghostball. Can't put the camera on them, man. Them man are most wanted, you know. Man are most wanted, you know. Can't put the camera on them, you know. Can't put the camera on them, man. They, you know. See, absolute boss, them and Kirk them down there. So most wanted them, you know. Can't put the camera on them, man. They. You see, them man, them only show in a video, you know. Walk back up the lane, people. Yeah, people, see my granny here. Yeah, people, see Mataran sister here, so. You know what I think, go. Mama, big up the camera, mama. Big up the camera, mama. Big up the camera, blessed. Big up the camera. Say walk on camera. Yo, big up your father. Where your father name? Your father.
Put the black for me, yeah.
We say where your father name? Yeah, people say Nancy are people. Nancy are people. They're the advice. Go on, man. We have buy you. Just the walk on, brother.
Walk on, brother.
Want to walk on, brother. I'm fooling. You alone a do what? You liar, bitch. You alone a do what? You alone a do what? You look at cement when me see you push going in the water. And me not have follow you, know? Alright. You're hungry, you know. Man, you use this and turn it, or you can use this to switch around. What the fuck? Oh my God! Yeah, nah. Yo, this man. This man. Rough man. How you buy this? Huh? Sister buy me, dog. Yeah, man. Say, I don't know why man I over this Mataran brother. You know, Uncle Rob last boy. You don't know a thing. I big man this in I place, you know. Clean dog. You see your bad? You see your bad? You see your bad? Oh, your bad, so? Alright, sorry no bossy, sorry no man. Sorry no daddy, sorry no man. Sorry man. Why your face with a Reddit? With your Reddit. Yeah, people, so when time set up one grave dig in our day, there are them type of excitement there, especially in Jamaica. You see what I sweat? Yeah, man, so we there in the night now, I just be food and them thing there. Presentation 100%, man, I lie. Then come out for 20 thing. You see me? Presentation active. Go to the one show what I go on. Big old sound clash. Perry versus Marky. Kino boy, the man.
Let's go open up. Oh, wait down.
Huh? Where Carol? Yo, big up my camera, Carol.
Big up what? I want to find out.
Big up my camera, Carol.
Big up your. We tell about the moment, brother.
So what going on, people? People are waiting for food, nice food, but as you can see, I don't get my plate of food. Go on, man. Owen, Perry or Marky? Owen, Perry or Marky? Yeah, come here. I chew, come. I see if they start talking. Man say no talking and a man start talking. And that me I say too. Okay. Yeah, must tongue cleaner. Home bad. Dog, you know, ram still in that. Home bad. It's a man when he's in love in a me carry me with fun. Me use it for a woman, me no use it for man. Use the road the cat from 1 to 1. But now me have to stop because something wrong. You know, yes, he take over the island. He comes from man.
know so one new jacket in there play. One jacket Marcus. That get iPhone 6, I know.
Yo, show them your iPhone. Show them your iPhone. What kind of iPhone you get, bro?
iPhone 6 man have better.
What one? Where
This one.
Where go on?
Wah, wah, wah.
Look at them says, I don't know if I know.
Call him here again and tell him who you are big up.
Benz, big up your damn self.
Alright, you don't know a thing though. Big up more and yeah, I'm gonna get him.
Culture, Curtis, big up your damn self.
Andy. Bumbo Clot!
Live!
Tell them again.
Live!
Oh God!
The run thing!
Bumbo Clot.
Yeah, we can give us.
You want weed?
Yeah, we don't want the fun.
Yeah.
Live!
Supposed to have some weed. Yeah, man, I weed. But look, I'm a fine now. Where's the big game? I don't know we don't game, man. Where we do?
Suck him.
You alright, man. How are you going up there, Sabat? How are you going?
That act more go on down, because I'm more problem. You want my lick out this thing. Now, come here, ice.
How are you going up there, Sabat? Really and truly, tell me.
Rum go.
I say rum go. Alright, we done it. What you say?
Rum. You see rum and leave, rum and bum buckler, stone. You see rum, you can lay down by the dog like a dog. See? You see rum here? The man that did the rum. The man laugh right now. Right now, the man you go on. I know you fuck up yourself up yourself, you know, bad man, but we are fuck you know. Bum buckler. You feel free, you. You feel free, bro.
Bridge in the road, I don't know Booker T brave so. Booker T, where you say?
Come up.
Deal with it.
Come up, man.
Aki production. Aki production.
Come up.
Yo, lift up, come out, I can't lift up him, Whitey.
Go, sir. Go on up.
Yo, Aki production, where you say?
Go on.
Yo, Aki production.
Push it and come back and tell them, man.
Aki production, me say where you say?
Yeah! League!
League
man thing.
Alright, Aki production.
Yeah, we are running stay flat.
Alright. Papa hate him.
I think I look a bit. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Period.
Give me cam. Don't put it on the old people.
Okay.
Yeah, man, girl, been here.
Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Huh?
Godfather.
My godfather.
Still in our wedding next month, see?
Get the grandson on the wine. Just have a godfather.
Is that before I saw?
Go on, we are good.
Which way you walking, Jeremy?
Huh?
Which way you walking?
Who that's so? I'm going there, I've been. I was in that. Man, you don't catch your wine and get your music. Jesus Christ. Mama. Leave me. Mama. Huh?
If we're walking, yeah, we're not going to stop.
You stop your grandfather though.
Rasta.
Bless. Blessing.
Granddad, you okay?
Wow. Yo, Jasmine, come go work out.
Jeremy, can we just walk straight? No more chatting.
Huh?
No more chatting.
Why not? Voilà.
Say look why.
With what?
Both that thing.
Yeah, man, I bend them. This I get
You
it.
know, pick up a sitting man. I start to like when news I start, man.
See, fresh now, we fresh.
Where you say now? Just there. Right.
Tell-
Go get it.
Ben, I get here and the whole I'm in a group chat today for you.
All right. Both of them. Make sure you're not connecting up. And the thing I pick up like Wi-Fi. Okay? Because we not ramp and play. Fix the camera good. I bring up the girl them necklace and banger. Yeah, me I say. Arsenal. Ben. Bulky Arsenal. Ben. Curtis. More culture. All our British and American link up. A real bad bubble this. Bring the prank. Get you move. Go fix up. Go on this. Go.
Why not? How this is violating your privacy? Videoing in my home?
Stop the man. Let me see something.
No, leave me alone. The great one. Where are it, mama? Give me some. Give me some. Yeah, Rasta, mama. On play la pause. Alright, man. Where gone? You tell the man, the man so pull up, man. You tell the same man I pull up, man. Never.
Yo, I agree. I'll go to you now.
Alright. Now come find it. Yeah? Untouchable. Massive man, my brother, isn't it? Broke up. Why? What do you know for say, man? Yeah, bro. Bag of thing, yeah, man. Rest up here, Tony. Rest up. Clean stuff. Yeah, man. Good. Tony boy, man. Yeah, Tony son.
We brought nothing into this world, and it is certain we can carry nothing out. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken from us. Blessed be the name of the Lord. I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills.
Good afternoon, everyone. As I come to read the scripture, I give God thanks and praise for His name. Ecclesiastes 3, verse 1 to 14. To everything there is a season, a time, and for everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven.
Good evening, everyone.
Yo, that wife. Joshua,
You've been in the storm, and it seems like forever.
Now this I say, brethren, the flesh and blood cannot inherit the kingdom of God, neither doth the corruption inherit incorruption.
Oh, my boss. How are you doing? How are you doing?
Enough content. You can pay me
Tino. see you in a church down at Atop and Base. So I see you in a church, my friends. I see you too. I see you already too. I'm thinking everybody. So Jaime.
I'm from my year, I'm coming swagger.
Is it? Did you ever get him?
Hey, come in. This is what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying?
I'm saying, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm understand.
Fucking out. I'm gonna need a pack of cigarettes, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, I know what I'm saying. Broke off. You say I do rag said you. You left you do rag, you know. You left you do rag, you know, broke off. Porque zico. Two minutes start video. You see it? Oh. I know I'm a phone, I can't view it.
We're here, alright.
Banga wrong.
You see me in a part one?
Huh?
You see me in a part one?
I see in a part one. I see in a part one, man. Yo, one thing is son now play today, the man. Wagwan. Yeah, definitely. And you're so hot. Oh my god, you're so hot. Damn. Ah, shit. Fine shit, fine shit, fine shit.
With the sausage.
One Jeremy Panico.
Easy the man, easy the man. Me not fi accent on you, have you already, you have you already, you have you already. You never see me without a rum cup, you know.
Anytime I have one, anytime I have one, most of the sickness. You know?
Say the way. G then clean out there. And the man then clean. So you know, see, you lean one of me do. The man then love it.
You working?
Yeah. You know see it? Bygones and Ray, you know? I done this, I don't know. No, yeah, I done this, I don't know. We are going to take food. No, I'm doing it. The funeral are finished now. We are going to the burial ground. So many mixed emotions, bro. It's crazy, you know?
Why you not kill Mataran?
Nah, video. I don't know what people video the body, you know. I can't video it, you know.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, look, you see him. I tell you, say, man, just look, you see him, brother. Like, yeah, man, look, you see him. We are going to the cemetery now. If you get stuff active, we are going to the cemetery. We're going to see what goes. You get me? I'm gonna leave this world. No more to roam. Some sweet day when life is over. Some sweet day I'm going away.
Give me a rest on the cutter.
Oh, that's all right. Where all right, my boss. Knocking me. Caesar. Let me get that dragon, Caesar. Let me get that dragon.
So I realised when you want to do a different angle, you just have to change it. Guys, this camera's back.